After a 16-year hiatus, Ram is reviving the Dakota nameplate for a dedicated midsize pickup built on Stellantis' flexible STLA large architecture. Officially confirmed in January 2025, the 2028 Dakota will slot between the Ford Ranger and full-size Ram 1500, embracing Ram's multi-energy strategy with three distinct powertrains: ICE, plug-in hybrid, PHEV, and battery electric, BEV, and marking Ram's first factory-built midsize EV alongside its ICE and hybrid siblings. Engine and powertrain specs: ICE, rumored to offer both a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder, approximate 300 horsepower, and the Hurricane 3.0L inline-six turbo, around 400 horsepower, to compete with Tacoma and Ranger V6s. PHEV, expected to pair the 2.0L turbo engine with one or more electric motors for combined outputs near 350 to 400 horsepower, yielding improved fuel economy and an electric-only range sufficient for urban commutes. BEV, likely underpinned by a dual-motor setup and a almost equals 100 kWh battery, targeting almost equals 300 miles WLTP range and DC fast charging at greater than or equal to 150 kilowatts, akin to the Ram 1500 REV's architecture. Towing capacity across powertrains is projected around 7,000 pounds, positioning the Dakota as a versatile workhorse irrespective of drivetrain. Pricing: industry estimates place the base XT ICE model around $35,000, climbing to $48,000 for PHEV and top trim BEV variants loaded with tech and off-road hardware. Early launch edition reservations may require deposits north of $1,000, reflecting Dakota's limited initial availability. Expected launch: Stellantis has slated production to begin in late 2026 at its Belvidere, Illinois facility, with dealer deliveries kicking off in mid-2027 as 2028 model year Dakotas. Initial rollout will cover North America, followed by key markets in Latin America and Australia where mid-size trucks are popular. Exterior highlights: bold Ram DNA, oversized grille and C-shaped LED running lights echo the 1500 with active front shutters to optimize aerodynamics. Crew cab proportions for doors with a 5-foot bed plus optional 6-foot bed on select trims. Active aero and protection: front air dams and underbody shields deploy at speed for aerodynamic efficiency, while Mopar skid plates and tow hooks enhance off-road readiness. Wheel and tire options: standard 18-inch alloys with all-season tires, 20-inch tech gray rims on sport trims, 17-inch beadlock wheels with 33-inch all-terrain tires on the off-road Rebel package. Interior highlights: Connect 5 infotainment, available 12-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, embedded navigation, and Sirius XM plus over-the-air updates. Digital cockpit: 10.25-inch configurable instrument panel with customizable pages for quick view gauges, media, and navigation. Material and comfort: standard cloth seats, optional leather or vegan leather, ERC, with heating, ventilation, and power adjustability. Center console offers integrated charging pad and under-seat storage. Safety and convenience: standard blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, 360 degrees camera, and ParkSense front, rear parking sensors. Available head-up display projects speed and navigation onto the windshield. By blending Ram's rugged styling and utility with modern EV and hybrid